Let's begin with why you stopped talking to them in the first place. You were tired. Tired of the lies, the games, the manipulation. You just wanted something real, something honest, something healthy, functional, peaceful. You weren't asking for too much. You weren't trying to invite chaos into your life. But you didn't know who or what you were really dealing with. At first you thought they were just a little bit damaged, maybe misunderstood. You gave them the benefit of the doubt.